Important notes and course navigation. Hi guys, today I want to talk to you a little bit about what is inside this course, but first of all, I would like to introduce myself to the new students. My name is Martin Yanev and I've been an aerospace engineer for many years. For the aerospace industry, I've been writing codes and testing them on a variety of languages such as Java, C++, Python, Bash, and many others. And for that reason, I created this Code Matrix Academy in order to teach students to very practical concepts in Java and other programming languages. But why developing um, this experience in Java Swing and Java AWT? Well, if you're interested into developing applications in Java and games as well, then these two toolkits are going to be very useful for you because they're easy to grasp, easy to use, and also you can create a variety of codes, applications, different games. I'm showing many of these things in my courses as well. And after that, I wanted to share with you my experience and to see what your expectations are. For this course, as it is an introductory course, you can see on the scale you will get some experience with the concepts of Java, but you shouldn't expect that you will be experienced Java developer. To be experienced Java developer, after you take this course, you need to take more advanced courses in order to achieve the highest level. And not only this, you need to practice a lot to learn different types of codes, different types of methods that you can use as well. And this is very important that you're aware of. Another reason why I choose to create this course is also for my current students. So I usually propose this course as a starting point where you start learning before moving to more complicated things related to Java. So whether you're my current student, take this course before taking the rest of my courses. If you're a new student, first I would advise to take this course and you can also see the way I'm teaching and then move on to another advanced courses, whether mine or to mine colleagues, instructors. And as I said, you always need to practice. So after I give you some solution or some source code, try modifying it. Try doing something different. Try changing some parameters from the code. In that way, you learn how Java works exactly, and you will learn it from practice, not only from my lectures or some book. And finally, I would like to encourage you to ask me questions all the time if you don't understand something. I'm always happy to help. Also, if you are happy with the course, you are happy with the content, I would like to ask you to rate this course with 5 stars and give me feedback. This is also very important for me because if this course is highly rated, then more students will be able to reach it and learn the concepts in the course. So please give me a review, any review that you would like to. And finally, this is the last slide, so I will not take you more time and you will be able to start with the course. Finally, I would like to ask you if you like the course to share it with your friends, with your family, or in the social networks. So if you share it in the social network, then again more people can reach it and also join the lectures that you like. So please do this favor to your friends or your family or your colleagues. Share this course so they can also benefit from it. They're losing nothing, you're losing nothing as well. And also, if you would like to see some of my other courses, please check the bonus section, and there you have the best discounts for my other courses that you can join. That was from me for today. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy my course.